English conversation practice Alex and Sarah.
Hey Sarah, long time no see. How have you been?
Hi Alex, I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Work's been hectic, but I'm managing. Did you get that promotion you were aiming for?
I did, actually. It's been exciting, but also a bit overwhelming. More responsibilities now.
Congrats! You totally deserve it. How are you handling the new role?
Thanks. It's a lot to juggle, but I'm learning. How's everything on your end?
Not bad. I've been thinking about taking a vacation soon. I need a break.
That sounds like a great idea. Any place in mind?
I'm thinking about visiting Japan. I've always wanted to see Tokyo.
That would be amazing. The culture there is so unique.
Right? I've been doing some research, and there's so much to see and do.
Have you decided when you'll go?
I'm planning for the end of September. Hopefully, the weather will be nice.
Perfect timing. The autumn leaves in Japan are supposed to be beautiful.
I'm excited just thinking about it. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Not recently. I've been saving up though. Maybe I'll plan something for the winter.
Any ideas where you'd want to go?
I'm considering a trip to Europe. I've always wanted to visit Paris and Rome.
Those are fantastic choices. The history and architecture there are incredible.
Exactly. I want to experience the art and culture firsthand.
You'll love it. Europe has so much to offer. Have you started planning?
Not yet, but I'm gathering ideas. I want to make the most of the trip.
That's smart. I can help you plan if you want. I've been to Rome before.
That would be great. I'd love to hear your recommendations.
Absolutely. We can sit down and go over everything. Maybe over coffee?
Sounds perfect. How about this weekend?
Works for me. Let's meet at our usual spot on Saturday morning.
Deal. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. By the way, how's your family doing?
They're doing well. Thanks for asking. My brother just started college.
That's exciting. Is he liking it so far?
He is, but it's a big adjustment for him. New city, new people.
I can imagine. College can be overwhelming at first.
Definitely, but he's making friends and settling in.
That's good to hear. What's he studying?
He's majoring in computer science. He's always been into tech.
Nice. That's a great field to get into.
Yeah, he's really passionate about it. What about your family?
They're doing well. My sister just got engaged.
Wow, congratulations to her. That's exciting news.
Thanks. We're all thrilled. The wedding planning has already started.
I bet. Weddings are a big deal. Do they have a date yet?
Not yet, but they're thinking about next summer.
That gives them plenty of time to plan. Are you helping out?
A little bit. Mostly just giving input when asked.
Sounds fun. Are you excited for the wedding?
Definitely. It's going to be a big family event.
I love weddings. They're so full of joy and celebration.
They really are. Speaking of celebrations, have you been to any good parties lately?
Actually, I went to a friend's birthday party last weekend. It was a blast.
Nice. What did you guys do?
We had a barbecue, played some games, and just hung out. It was a lot of fun.
That sounds awesome. I miss casual get-togethers like that.
Yeah, they're the best. Just relaxing with friends, no pressure.
For sure, we should plan something like that soon.
Definitely. Maybe we could do a game night or something.
I'm in. I've got a couple of new board games we could try.
Perfect. Let's set a date and make it happen.
How about next Friday?
Works for me. I'll bring some snacks.
Great. I'll handle the games and drinks.
It's going to be so much fun. I can't.
Me neither. It's been too long since we all hung out.
Agreed. Life gets so busy. It's nice to take a break and just enjoy.
Exactly. We need to make more time for things like this.
Totally. Let's make it a regular thing.
I'm all for that. By the way, have you watched any good movies recently?
I saw that new sci-fi movie last week. It was pretty good.
Oh, I've been wanting to see that. Was it as good as the trailer made it look?
It was. The visuals were stunning and the story was intriguing.
Awesome. I'll have to check it out this weekend.
You should. I think you'll enjoy it.
Thanks for the recommendation. I'm always looking for something new to watch.
Anytime. We should do a movie night sometime too.
Great idea. Maybe after our game night?
Sounds like a plan. We can pick a movie everyone will enjoy.
Perfect. I'm really looking forward to these get-togethers.
Me too, Alex. It's going to be a blast.
For sure. It's great catching up like this.
Absolutely. Let's not let so much time pass before we hang out again.
Agreed. Let's make it a point to stay in touch more often.
Definitely. I'll see you on Saturday for coffee and we can finalize our plans.
Looking forward to it. Take care, Sarah.
You too, Alex. See you soon.